Hello and welcome to the channel. The Dji Mini 4K in this video has already been opened and unboxed, but I think it was really important to show you what actually comes in the box, and that's what this video is all about. As always, please do subscribe to the channel, it would help me out so much. So as you open the box, the Dji Mini 4K is the first thing that you'll find. It's in the top of the box. Removing the next layer takes you to another box which has all of the cables, instructions, stickers, spare propellers and a screwdriver in. I'll show you that shortly. And at the very bottom of the box is the RC-N1C controller. You can see that the label is next to the speaker on the back of the controller. So let's have a look at the inside of the box with all of the different components in. So supplied is a USB to micro USB cable. There is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and these cables are for attaching to your phone from the controller. And then finally, there is a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging the drone. Also supplied is this screwdriver for changing the propellers if they become damaged. And also there are these spare propellers, just one set for the drone, and they're labelled up as A and B, so you get the propellers in the right place if you do need to fix them. As always in packages like this, there are lots of instructions. There is a QR code for the app. There are safety guidelines for the Mini 4K. This is the drone's information notice for drones with a camera, the quick start guide, and also some Japanese flight safety rules. DJI always provides some stickers in their products as well, so there's some great stickers that are included here within the packaging. So let's have a look at the drone itself. As I said, this has already been opened, so the drone unfolds firstly at the top and then at the bottom. It has to be in that order. And then there is a gimbal protector that's simply removed and should be taken off before any flight. The drone is switched on by a short press and a long press until the 4 battery lights light up. And this weighs under 250 grams, 249 grams, and has this light at the back. It sort of flashes in multicolours before it's connected to the controller and the DJI Fly app. And turning the drone off is exactly the same, one short press and one long press. Putting the gimbal protector on is just as simple, and we'll have a quick look at the battery next. So there is a button at the bottom of the battery that I'm squeezing in here, and it's the DJI Mini Intelligent Flight battery for the Mini 4K, simply removed, clicks in place as does the cover, and there is a USB-C charge port, and this drone uses a micro SD card. We'll have a look at the RC-N1C controller next. The thumbsticks are kept neatly in the bottom of the controller. And again, this is turned on by one short press and one long press. There's a gimbal dial and a record button on the top. And the phone holder doubles up as the antenna to the drone itself. The final cable is the USB-C to Lightning. That's the one that's already fitted into the controller, and that connects to your older iPhones rather than the USB-C. Again, switching off the controller is one short press and one long press. So that is everything that is included in the box for the DJI Mini 4K.